Hello everyone, I'd just like to get into a small feature here on Exacqvision and Kantech integration, which might help a few sites, especially with investigations, based on access control and CCTV. So what we have here is we have a testing camera, and then we also have a Morpho access reader, and then we have the Kantech door controller. So what we want is from the access control itself, we want to then see the transaction as a text overlay on the camera itself. So basically when I badge my biometric on the reader, you'll see that it gives me access denied on the reader. And then obviously the controller sends the transaction to my CCTV VMS. So you'll see that the last transaction there is the access denied. So if I badge again, you'll see the access granted come through. So the advantage as well is obviously I don't have to sit here and monitor this all day because it doesn't mean anything to me. But now as soon as there's an investigation into, a certain door where a person accessed or where a person was, something happened to a person, we can then go to playback and search for the keyword. So, if it was a specific person, I could go for searching for my own name. It'll give me all the timelines of when it actually detected me as badging on the reader. So you'll see there as soon as I play, you'll see that it actually detected me, and that's why it came up with that transaction. Alright, so basically the same thing if we did an access denied. So every time an access denied transaction happened on the actual door, it will give me that playback for that specific time. So very simple tool. I think this will help a lot of clients using Exacqvision and Kantech, especially with investigations. Thank you.